It's Tuesday, June 6th, 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. And I wanted to let you know that I liquidated my holdings today in Berkshire Hathaway, McDonald's, American Express, Disney, and Valero. These are all what I called opportunity stocks, stocks that took a big dive as a result of the announcement of the coronavirus. And I determined in my mind that they were good, strong companies, and this was a temporary dip. And it has served me well. Some of them I've made as high as 30% profit on them. But today I liquidated them, and I wanted to share with you why I liquidated with them. As you know, I'm an investor basically in the future. I believe in the big six, and that's where I'm going to lay my bets. But I wanted to take care of this opportunity of the dip. Why I sold was because roughly 14 days ago, the riots relative to George Floyd started around the United States. And as a result of that, I believe millions of people ignored social distancing and thus exposed themselves to the virus. And I believe that at this 14-day juncture, we're going to start to see a rise in the number of cases and the number of people coming back to the hospital. And in fact, we're going to have the second wave. That being said, I might be wrong. If I am wrong, I took my profits. I'm happy with my profits. And I will be happy if the stocks do go back up. I would just look for other opportunities, and it may be in here. The other thing that I have noticed of these stocks, a number of them have gapped up. That is to say, if you look on their daily charts, there is a gap at some point as to where they closed or their high of one day, and then their low never came and filled that gap. Historically, that tells you that the stock will come back to fill that gap. All of these stocks did that. And that's where I'm looking for my next buy-in, unless there is a heavy second wave and it comes down and we have the other side of the W recovery that everybody thinks is going to happen. Now, again, I want to reiterate, I kept my Apple, my Google, my Amazon, my Facebook, my IBM, and my Microsoft. In fact, I put an order in because I believe it's IBM. Microsoft is down today, one Microsoft or IBM, and I'm adding to that position. So wanted to be open with you, wanted to be sharing with you. I'll get this on the YouTube as quickly as possible. I believe now is the time to take profits.